A cargo airplane has a maximum takeoff weight of 90,000 kilograms. The airplane crew and fuel have a combined weight of 14,750 kilograms. The airplane will be loaded with the N 125 kilogram cargo containers. What is the greatest value of N such that the airplane doesn't exceed its maximum takeoff weight? Okay, here we have N number of cargo containers and the weight of each container is 125 kilograms. Now, to get the total weight of the cargo containers, we have to multiply the number of containers N and the weight of each container, that is 125 kilograms. Then we get 125 N. So this is the total weight of N number of cargo containers. Now, let's consider the combined weight of airplane, crew and fuel, that is 14,750. It should be added to the weight of the cargo containers. Then we get positive 14,750. Now, this is the total takeoff weight of the airplane. According to the information, the maximum takeoff weight of the airplane is 90,000 kilograms. That is, this total weight cannot exceed this 90,000 because this is a maximum takeoff weight. So, the value of this expression can be equal to 90,000 or it has to be less than this 19,000. Let me write it less than or equal to 19,000. Okay, now we have to find the greatest value of N in this inequality. Okay, now let me isolate N in this inequality. Let's subtract 14,750 from both sides of this inequality. So here this positive value, negative value will cancel out. I'm getting 125 times N on the left side less than or equal to. When I simplify this one, I'm getting 4,250. Let's divide both sides of this inequality by 125. So this one will cancel out. I'm getting N on the left side less than or equal to. The simplification of this one is 34. Okay, here we got the result N is less than or equal to 34. That is, N can be equal to 34 or N has to be less than 34. And we know that N represents a number of cargo containers. So it cannot be decimal. Always it has to be an integer. And this 34 is an integer. So from this inequality, it's very clear the greatest value of N is 34. We find 34 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.